Welcome back friends, and in this video we are going to discuss one thing, that is call forwarding. How to enable call forwarding in your phone, and what will happen then. Not wasting much of your time, if you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. So just going to the note here in dialer pad. So dialer pad and dialer pad, tap on three dots and this setting, not the phone settings. When we'll go on this setting, then here we will see the supplementary services, and in supplementary services it will take some time. One option is there, that is call forwarding. Just tap on it and here you will go on the voice calls, and it will again take some time, and slowly it will come all the options. So this no number set always forward means the calls will always be forwarded to the number whatever we written here. You can choose from contact list also. Forward when busy, the call will be forwarded only when your phone will be busy. So you can add that number here on which you want that your call should be forwarded when your phone is busy. Forward when unanswered. If your call is unanswered on this phone, it will be forwarded to that number which will be written here. Okay, and forward when unreachable. If there is any your phone is unreachable, you can here give any number what you want, and it will update. So because I have taken the random number, it is failed to read the data. So this is all about the voice calls. How will we activate call forwarding, and what is the process, and how will we enter the number we have discussed in this video. So if you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.